નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, continues of chapter number 8, role of parliament in democratic country. Now our next topic is how is the parliament formed. What is our next topic, dear children? How is the parliament formed? First of all, they will given the information of the parliament. India has adopted the parliamentary democracy. Dear children, you know very well that India has adopted the parliamentary democracy. The parliament is the supreme institution in India. Which is the supreme institution of India, dear children? Then parliament is the supreme institution in India. The parliament of India consists of the president. Dear children, what happened there? The parliament of India consists with the president and the two houses. One is a Lok Sabha and second one is a Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha is known as a lower house. Dear children, Lok Sabha, it is known as a lower house. Be careful, dear children. LN, remember it. Lok Sabha, it is known as a lower house. Same way, the Rajya Sabha, it is known as the upper house. Rajya Sabha, it is known as the upper house. And that's why what happened there, they will given that Lok Sabha, it is known as the lower house, and Rajya Sabha, it is known as the upper house. Now dear children, already we have to draw the chart. Parliament, after they will given the division, here Lok Sabha, President and the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, it is known as the lower house. Total member of the Lok Sabha is 545. Out of 545, 543 members are elected by the people. Direct election is there. And 2 members are directly appointed by the President of India. And these members are Anglo-Indian community. Be careful. That's why 543 people are elected by the people and 2 members of the Lok Sabha was directly appointed by the President of India. 2 people are Anglo-Indian community. Out in Lok Sabha, the 26 seats for the Gujarat is there in Lok Sabha. After they were given the President, here the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha, it is known as the upper house. Total member of the Rajya Sabha 250 there. Total member of the Rajya Sabha 250. In 250, 238 members are elected from the legislative assembly. Be careful, here not directly elected by the people in the Rajya Sabha. Here the every states and union territories legislative assemblies member are elected the Rajya Sabha's member, and 12 people are nominated by the President of India. It means 238 are elected from the different states and the union territory, and 12 people are appointed directly by the President of India. And these 12 people are the expert of the different field like science, technology, sports, same way. And in Rajya Sabha 11 seats for the Gujarat is there. The Indian Parliament formed the post-independence is the symbol of the trust of the people of India. What happened there? The Indian Parliament formed the post-independence is the symbol of the trust of the people of India. As in the silent features of the democracy, there is a willingness and the participation of the people. What happened there? There is a willingness and the participation of the people in the decision-making democracy. In our ruling system, the parliament has complete and important power because it represents the people of the country. And that's why what happened, the dear children, parliament has the complete and important power because it represents the people of the country. Parliament function is started below for to provide the guidance and information by keeping control on the government. What happened that which are the function of parliament for? To provide the guidance and the information by keep the control of the government. Second, to make the law and to amendment in them. Now they were given that how is the Lok Sabha formed, dear children. What they were given that Sabha form. Election for the Lok Sabha are held similar to the held for the state of the Vidhan Sabha. What happened that election for the Lok Sabha are held similar to that the held for the state of the Vidhan Sabha. Lok Sabha election are held every 5 years. Be careful. Lok Sabha's election are held every 5 years. From each consistency, the one member is elected for the parliament. What happened that here from each consistency, the one member is elected for the parliament. The candidate who stand up as the constant are the member of the various state bodies. The elected candidate is known as a member of parliament. What happened there in Lok Sabha? The elected member, it means the elected candidate is known as a member of parliament. In short, you can say MP. All these members are collectively from the Lok Sabha, and this all the members are collectively form the Lok Sabha. And now they have to given the what is the name of the member of the parliament of your area. What is the name of your parliamentary consistency? After they have given that how is the ruling party form. What they have given that how is the ruling party form. After the election of the Lok Sabha, dear children, what happened that after the election of the Lok Sabha, a list of all the members of the parliament is made. What happened that after the election of the Lok Sabha, a list of all the members of parliament is made. From that it is clear that how many members from the political parties are there, and that's why from this list they have to clear that how many members from the political parties are there. If any party wants to form the government, then the elected member from his party should get the majority. What happened then, dear children? If the any party want to form the government, then the elected member of his party should get the majority. After the election, the leader of the party or a coalition of the party which has a clear majority in the parliament, it means that party have proved the clear majority in the parliament, is appointed as the prime minister. Dear children, here there is no direct election of the prime minister. What happened then? Be careful here. The clear majority of the parliament is appointed as the prime minister of that party. The prime minister of India is the head of the ruling party. Who is the head of the ruling party, dear children? The prime minister of India is the head of the ruling party. The prime minister elect the minister from the member of his party, and that's why the prime minister elect the minister from the member of his party. In this way, the council of minister is formed. The minister along with prime minister, the prime minister together take the decision. This minister take care of the responsibility of the government. That's why what happened there, dear children? This minister take care of the responsibility in the government related work in the area of health, education and the finance. That's why what happened there? This minister take the responsibilities of the different areas regarding with the health, education and finance. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.